Wizard.
Hi, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and I'm going to give you some real world stuff in this video. One of the things we do at our company is we always put down a tarp, and that's our workspace. It's nice, it looks professional, it's a real good thing to do in the yard. You want to keep the sawdust off, keep any of the stains or anything, which we have stain over here, keep that stuff off of people's property. You don't want to, if somebody has nice grass, have a nice pool behind you here that you don't see, and that's what we want to do. Now, like I said, real world. Now, I'm not firing these guys today, but usually I fire people when they do this. So let's follow me and come over to the other side. We move the saw over. We have the generator over here. And look what we're doing in the yard. The sawdust. That's what cannot happen. We do not want that. That's why we use tarps. And you should use tarps or something to work from when you're working in someone's yard or on their property, is make sure you have a work area. It looks a lot more professional, and it's just the way to go. Another tip from the Wizard of Wood. Hopefully you like this video and others. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a great day. Hi, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. I got the Wizard of Wood from my peers in the industry, and being the Wizard of Wood, I provide education and have been for well over 20 years and over 10,000 contractors across the nation. So thank you for watching the video. I'm glad you are. But if you want more information and you want to become like the Wizard and have the knowledge that the Wizard has had and that teaches in classes, please visit www.wizardofwood.net. You will get our manual, we get our online classes and everything to help you take your career to another level. Thank you for watching the video.